So youth is the power, youth is the future pipeline, and youth is the team who will not help the Jito only today, they will help for the days to come.
Welcome again to Jito Youth Talks. Right now we have Mr. Hitesh Ji, who is the Secretary General of Jito Apex. Thank you so much for coming and giving us this time.
Thank you.
My first question to you is, being at the Apex and running this whole huge organization, what is your vision towards the youth? When you think about youth, what is your vision and what is the benefit that the youth can get becoming a part of Jito?
Pranam and Jai Jinendra to all. I think nobody needs to talk about the youth and the power of the youth. So when it comes to my vision, I see a tremendous opportunity for the Jito as well as for the youth, both the side. What is the opportunity to the youth if I look into that to the Jito here? See, today anybody needs to grow in his life some support system. That can be mentoring, that can be some suggestions, that can be finance, that can be getting a job or anything. And this all is available. Forget about the business and profession. If somebody wants to do something in their education also, that is also available in Jito. And the most important, when you join the Jito, you get the friends. And these friends, the youth, everyone knows in the youth what is the importance of the friends. And who are these friends? They will not only help them what the normal friends help them, but they will help for all other principles and activities of the youth which the Jain person brings on the table. So youth is the power, youth is the future pipeline, and youth is the team who will not help the Jito only today, they will help for the days to come.
Thank you so much. It really means when you say that the values that we bring, like we all have been brought up with values, and when we all come together with common values, the growth increases exponentially and the friends groups also becomes very good. So moving on, I want to ask you about the Har Ghar Jito movement. The youth that has started this movement, that are saying one youth per family and build emotional connections. What do you think about that?
See, let us see first about the power. We have seen in the world the power of one finger, two finger, and 5 fingers together. More the power, more the influence on the people who are within that. So if you reach to the more number of people and we create a stronger, bigger number of the people's group, we will have the more power. So Ghar Ghar Jito is what? Today we are probably X numbers, and there is a possibility to convert this X into the multiples. Let us say multiply by 10. So when today's Jito's youth, they became a 10 times bigger, what will happen? They will get the more and more Kalyan Mitras, what you said, the value systems. They will get more and more opportunity to grow in their profession, business, education, or let us say socially, to find a better spouse or life partner. So Ghar Ghar Jito is excellent program in my opinion. It is not a Ghar Ghar Jito, it is bringing a Jains together under the Jito banner. And when you are doing such a marvelous work to bring the people together, what Gandhiji said, how he started his Dandi Kuch, you name of any project in this country or in the world. One person started walking and thousands and millions people have started walking behind him. And this is what all you have started. So this is an excellent program. You all should continue this, push this, and get more and more people in your Dandi Kuch, I will say, and get the people's power together. And this power is not for somebody, it is for everybody. And you should get it. Thank you.
Thank you, Uncle. आपका जो wisdom आप share कर रहे हो, this is really very insightful for the youth. One last question I want to ask from your experience in business in Jito. what would be your advice for the youth specifically, who are just starting out or who are in their late 20s?
आई थिंक टू थिंग्स, ये मेरे से कैसे होगा, राइट? ये मैं नहीं कर सकता हूँ. दैट शुड बी नॉट ऑन द टेबल एट ऑल.
Okay. Thank you so much. One more thing you have to share.
Yeah, I'll say that I can do it, I will do it. छोड़ मत दो किसी भी हालत में, लगे रहो लगे रहो लगे रहो. बाकी सारी चीज़ आप मेरे से ज़्यादा जानते हो, क्योंकि आज का यूथ आई थिंक इट्स मच मोर नॉलेजेबल एंड पावरफुल देन मी, and I think they can do great.
He's being very humble. Thank you
Right.
so much, uncle. Thank you for your guidance and your आशीर्वाद. वो हमारे साथ रहेगा तो ज़रूर youth बहुत leaps and bounds grow होगा.
Sure.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.